Konnected transforms your home's wired alarm system into a smart home device, which connects you to the smart home revolution. Tens of millions of homes are already pre-wired for alarm systems. And we're here to make an app-connected home anywhere there's an existing alarm panel.
Front door open.
Konnected unlocks automation and app-based home monitoring with platforms like Samsung SmartThings, Amazon's Alexa, and the open source Home Assistant. Outdated security systems just don't fit today's lifestyle. We found a way to ditch the old keypads and bring your home sensors into the smart home apps that you already love, free from contracts and monthly fees. It's the ultimate smart home hack. Our mission is to make smart home monitoring accessible, easy, and private. We build upon platforms consumers already use, helping them access best-in-class automations which are cloud-based or 100% locally hosted, with no vendor lock-in and the freedom to choose. Our secure local APIs even enable private local communication, appealing to the techie prosumer and commercial customers building their own integrations. Like me and other homeowners, we needed a smart, simple, and straightforward way to upgrade our old wired alarm panels. In 2020, we introduced the Konnected Alarm Panel Pro, a powerful 12-zone IoT smart panel with Ethernet and Power over Ethernet capability. Konnected Pro has quickly become our best seller in direct-to-consumer and e-commerce markets and has been successful in commercial installations. And now our interface module allows you to connect any brand of traditional alarm system in parallel with Konnected, enabling traditional security and smart home monitoring to work together. Our manufacturing is lean, simple, and stateside, enabling us to innovate quickly, producing the best quality products quickly and reliably. We also have big plans on the horizon with native connections to Alexa, Google Assistant, as well as supporting high-end control systems like Control4. Konnected exists because of the home automation community. From it, we built this incredible team and created an award-winning product. Our backers funded the first Konnected alarm panel. They loved the product, loved the idea, and we pulled it off. Now I'm asking for your support again.